Today, I want to welcome you to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Aziri Oziri. Now me be your ogbonge, one and only ogbonge pidgin lawyer. Today I want to talk about rights of tenant. I know say I don talk am before. I don chip am in, but today I want straighten am how e be. The right wey you get as a tenant. One of the rights wey you get be say you get right to enjoy the property wey you dey live, wey you rent. Because some landlords no dey allow their ten ants dem drink water keep cup. You get right to enjoy your property, enjoy am without no unnecessary disturbance. Nobody dey come worry you. Na your right. Another right wey you get, the second right wey you get be say you get right to quit notice. This one be say landlord no go just come say comot from my house, comot from my house, comot. He must give you quit notice. But know say this quit notice, you no get the right to get am if you dey owe rent. If you dey owe rent, you no get the right to get quit notice. The third right wey you get again as a ten ant be say you get right to get this 7 days notice of owner's intention to recover possession. Wetin this one mean be say landlord no go just come throway you like that. If he wan collect him property back, he go serve you this 7 days notice. Another right wey you get be say you get right to sue your landlord. So many of una no know, you get right, every right to sue your landlord. If your landlord dey do anyhow, dey do things wey dey against the law, things wey dey against, why no even use law? If he dey do things wey dey against the agreement wey you and that sign concerning that house wey you rent, you get every right to sue your landlord. That one na number 4. Number 5, so you get right to a written agreement. Before you enter into any tenancy, make sure say una write agreement. Make the agreement dey say whether na oral or written, make agreement dey for who go do this one, who no go do this one. Na your right. Another right wey you get right to get receipt. If you don pay rent or anything wey you pay for the house, you get right to tell the landlord say, oga landlord, oga landlady, madam landlady, give me my receipt. That one na the 6th one, abi? The last one be say you wey be tenant, you get right to fair hearing. Some landlords no dey allow their ten ants dem to talk. Like for some compound, you no get right to even cough. You no fit cough, you no fit talk anything. Everybody get right to fair hearing. This right to fair hearing na even the most important right. Na your personal property. Hold am well, you understand? Na your right. Hold am well, keep am well. Thank you. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch dey share, no dey keep am to yourself. E no good like that. When you watch, share, tell people about Law in Pidgin. Even for your WhatsApp dem wey you dey share the video. As you dey share, you go dey encourage me. I go dey do more. Thank you. God bless you. Watch and share.